Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of real analysis asked in IIT JAM 2023. So our question is, let f from R2 to R2 be defined by fxy is equals to e to the power x cos y and ex sin y. Then a number of points in R2 that do not lies in the range of fs. So here we have to find the point which is not lie in the range of this function f. So what is the function? F of x of y is equals to e to the power x cos y comma e to the power x sin y. So this is a function. So we know this e to the power x never equals to 0. For any value of x it cannot be 0. So if it is not 0 and the sin x and cos x, sin y and cos y never be 0 together. It cannot be 0 simultaneously. Or cos of y is not equals to sin of y is not equals to 0 together. So we can say this function fxy is not equals to 0, 0 for any value of x comma y. So this is a one point in which this function does not lie. So we have to find that only. Number of points in R2 which does not lie in the range of f. The point is 0, 0 which does not lie in this range. So option B is correct, that 0, 0 is the point in which does not lie in this range of this function. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.